Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. At least now, me don't come your screen with breaking news. Me don't come your domot with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside the nation, Nigeria. The cocoa now we say, for inside on Thursday afternoon, the immediate past governor of Kogi State to be Yaya Bello, in visit the Minister of FCT Wike for inside a house where for Abuja. Now, for those my beloved viewers, those my countrymen, they like follow Anointed Lady TV updates, and I go know very well about Yaya Bello. You know, sir, we don't give you updates one time when you come aside from prison. So like this now, my good people, Oga Yaya Bello now ex-convict, and currently in matter is still full court. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, Oga Yaya Bello still dey face multiple multi-billion naira fraud cases, and as im waka to go visit Oga Wike for inside im house wey dey for Abuja. His successor will be the current governor of Kogi State, and I'm talking about the one and only Ahmed Usman Ododo, accompany am. Now, if you ask me, my good people, I go tell you say this man na the perfect example of Liverpool. He no dey ever waka alone. Even when he dey go court, he no dey waka alone. Even for inside court, he no dey alone. And now as he go see Oga Wike will be the Minister of FCT, he no still waka alone. A governor of a state can't leave wetin they do, follow this man, come see Oga Wike for inside Abuja. And with the way things they go, my good people, the former governor of Kogi State will be Yaya Bello. E be like say in dey find new alliance with influential members of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's cabinet, and based on in court cases them, based on say he don took ghost from major activities of the ruling All Progressive Congress their activities. That now why he gats make new alliance, he gats make friends so that he go fit join the moving train. And now he don approach Oga Wike will be influential member for the cabinet of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And if he ask me, I go tell you say they make the right step to come back on board. But my good people, more no forget say reports dey ground say the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission will be EFCC. They don't file multiple cases against Oga Yaya Bello before a federal high court today for inside Abuja. And you see all these court palabas so we just did for Oga Yaya Bello head. The thing begin immediately after the end of his tenure as Kogi State governor. Oga Yaya Bello fall out of favor with our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. The former governor Yaya Bello can blame powerful All Progressive Congress stalwarts for his ill fortunes after stepping down as governor. He can blame ogbonge men from the APC, say na then cause am, na then be the reason why as he stepped down from office, now just from one palava to the other, now he just fall inside. Anyhow, this informate be you for body, my good people. Feel free make it drop inside our comment section. Meanwhile, me still get another legit intel with my table like this one is share give the general public, and the cocoa be say the recent hike in telecommunication tariffs now don't continue to generate reactions from groups and individuals so they for inside this our green white grey country. So, and with the way things they work out, my good people, there's a possible industrial action from the Nigeria Labour Congress, will be NLC. And like this now, my good people, one countryman will go by the name Benson Upa. He na the spokesperson of the NLC. He na done a call for participation of citizens in the issues of discomfort, such as the 50% telecommunications tariff hike where the federal government don't approve. So, and according to Oga Benson, he said it is very much important for country people to take decisive yet peaceful action against the federal government hike on telecommunication charges. He said citizens get the right to protest against any policy we no go well, and it is very much up to the citizens to show a certain level of resentment peacefully instead of to just they grumble, just down for one side they complain, say this is no good, this is no good. It better say make you peacefully demonstrate them, say you no like the policy, and you no need violence or aggressive behaviors for somebody now to see say you are not happy about something. So now him will be Oga Benson, the spokesperson of NLC. He can urge country people to consider boycotting services as a means of peaceful protest against the tariff hike. And if country people can't do things like that, the thing will be very much impactful, especially as citizens now are most directly affected by government, their action and policies. Now my good people, make I yarn you another legit. You know say the truth of this matter be say no be the Nigerian government wey start am o. Na telecommunication operators that then carry matter go meet the Nigerian Communications Commission. Say they wan increase tariff by 100% based on how things don too woes reach. And na for inside the year 2013 na be the last time wey Nigeria telecommunications regulator dey increase tariff rates. They don dey use that pattern since, but now based on how things don be, they gats increase tariff o. And when they increase tariff, e go make them come dey deliver wider coverage of network. Now the Nigerian Communications Commission I come tell us say no, 100% no go work, make e kukuma be 50%, and last they come approve am. So na so the matter be. But last wetin Oga Benson Upa talk na still legit. Citizens get the right to protest against any policy wey no dey comfortable to them. But e go good make we know wetin we dey protest about, and make we know who dey go protest dey give. And now based on say countrymen dey plan to go do protest, make I yarn you another legit. You know say the second coming of Donald Trump as US president, the thing now fit affect our local currency wey be the naira. One economic expert wey dey go by the name Obichukwu, he now don dey yarn say now wey Donald Trump don assume office, now wey he don enter office as president, omo, the thing now fit go strengthen dollar, and anything wey make dollar come dey get more value, e go dey weaken our own local currency. E go even weaken other local currencies for this African continent. And no be lie my good people, this one wey dollar be like this now, we dey complain about our naira. Anything wey come make dollar strong the more, that is to say there will be increase in the cost of debt services, and the thing go even increase inflation for inside our nation Nigeria. Oga Obichukwu wey be the expert still dey yarn o, say with the executive order of Trump on immigration, travel restrictions are bound to lower FX remittance and further impact on its reverse and consumption. So therefore, e go good make businesses now just dey prepare for a worst case scenario of 2,200 naira per dollar, and make them take advantage of this best case scenario wey dey see so of 1,700 naira per dollar. So as we dey do protest now for the 50% increment wey don plaster on top tariff, make we still dey gather energy and make we still dey prepare for a worst case scenario. Make we dey prepare for the storm wey dey come. This my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the informate be you for body, or if you get contributions about the matter, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say na we be Anointed Lady TV. Our hobby na to dey give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this news and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. I dey come inside again with another legit intel for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.